Carpenters, Rainy Days and Mondays. Thank you so much, Roy, for sponsoring this video. Guys, let me know what you like and what you don't like. And Roy, let us know if there's anything else we need to know. Let's do it. Here we go. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Definitely have heard that chorus before. That's really, really, really beautiful. Love that. I'm gonna go back up because I really like this. This is absolutely beautiful. It almost reminds me a little bit right here of a Michael Jackson song, but I can't remember. I don't know if it's like The Girl Is Mine or something, but it just reminds me of a song that he's done. It's very gentle and beautiful.
Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
That's really beautiful. And her mixed belt is really gorgeous.
Funny, but it seems
And she's playing the drums.
Nice to know somebody you love.
I can't even imagine singing and playing the drums at the exact same time. It's very, I don't even know. I can't imagine doing that.
Mondays always get me down.
And I guess I could try. Down. It would have to be second nature. Lots of practice.
Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you.
Love that little wind up. The little rasp.
Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do.
Also love the way that she's kind of phrasing her words. The funny, like that kind of matches what you would think, like funny, you know, when somebody says it, funny, and then
funny, but it seems that it's the only
funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. You know, she's really going along with the conversational flow of the language, which I really, really love when singers do that. It's similar to what they try to strive for in opera, especially in like recit form. Recit is spoken. It's still sung, but it's like the speech parts. It's where the plot develops. When you typically want to go along, even though there's specific rhythms written, you don't want to get rid of those rhythms, but you definitely want to stretch and flow the way that conversation would go in whatever language you're singing in. So if you're in Italian, you want to make sure that it's stressed in the places that Italians stress versus French versus English versus Spanish, whatever it is. So I like it when I hear it in non-classical genres as well.
Just to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me.
She's just got a really, really gorgeous, like rich, low, and as Roy just said, soothing voice. It's a really beautiful kind of a quality. And I love the saxophone. You guys know I'm obsessed with saxophones. It's beautiful. Sorry, I'm going to listen to that again.
seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
I love that re-attack with her kind of air and resonance space. That's really, really beautiful. Like, down. It just shows her kind of like control over her voice and ability to like maintain the support throughout. And then also she let a little bit of vocal fry in there. I don't know if that was on purpose necessarily, but it wasn't affecting like in a negative way the sound. So it's just, I don't know, she does a really, really good job. I love her voice. It's so beautiful. It's soothing. It's peaceful. It's calm. It's rich. I like it a lot. And also the fact that she can play the drums at the same time. I'm like, hello? Hello? That is not an easy thing to do at all. So very, very fun and very, very cute. Love it. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see another one of my reactions to this artist or group, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what video I should watch next. Also, be sure to join us on Twitch for our weekly live streams of music, reactions, and more. Don't forget to check out the links down below in my description for exclusive behind-the-scenes perks and benefits. I am sending you all so much love, and I will see you in the next video.